Hey guys, in today's video, we are going to test out the best methods on how to easy peel hard-boiled eggs. The first method we're gonna test today is the rolling the egg on a hard surface. So you're gonna give it a quick crack. You hear that? We submerge it in cold water. So once your egg is wet, it's easier to separate the shell and the membrane from your egg white off. And if it gets sticky, you're gonna re-dip it and keep going. Second method that you suggested is to give your egg a good crack, take a piece out, and then use a spoon to separate the shell from the egg. All right. By the way, while I'm doing this, feel free to leave a comment and tell me what it is that works for you really well, because you could help someone else. I'm just testing out what the internet says, besides the way that I do it, which is not this close. All right, so egg number 2 with the spoon method is pretty good. So I'd give this a good rating right here. All right, guys, so method number 3 is to get a small plastic container and insert the egg in the container where it's covered by water. Let's seal this plastic container and we're gonna shake it. Oh, make sure your container seals well. As fun as this was, you guys, this method actually works pretty well. All right, so if you try this method, let me know. Let's give this a try with a different container. Okay. I feel like I'm gonna bust my egg or something. Yo, I have to say that the shaking method really works, but I gotta tell you, this jar method seems to work pretty well. You wanna know exactly how I do it at home, I just take my egg from here. It's really a combination of everything. I feel like most people get very frustrated when it's hard to lift, and therefore they take out half the egg. So if you just keep wetting it, no matter what method you're using, if you just keep wetting your egg from the shell, it will separate. Make sure you're not using fresh eggs. Definitely not as good as eggs that have been on your fridge for a few days, at least a week. Make sure you leave a comment below, share with everyone else what it is that you do that helps you peel eggs. Hit that red subscribe button. See you next time.